Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on INFINIX Note 30 Pro. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. Now click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you can you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And that's it. Now your Microsoft Edge is all set up. So if you like this video, please remember to leave like and subscribe.